Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Bungle Collects. Got a PO box video for you today, so this is anything that I have bought or anything that anybody has sent into our PO box over the last few weeks. I'm going to open it and show you what we've got. So if you'd like to send something to us, that is actually the right address, so ignore the silly postman or woman who said that we needed to return to the sender because it was the wrong address, but that is actually the address. Bungle Collects, PO Box 1077, Stockton-on-Tees, TS171ZA. So we like pictures, letters. They're the most important thing. Is the letters, something for us to read out. But if you want to send us free stuff, then by all means send us free stuff. Who doesn't love free stuff? Right, first letter. Hi Bungle and Lady M. I've had a big clear out of my collection and found a few things you might like. As ever, if these are not to your liking, feel free to give them away. Keep up the great work. Cheers from Matt Boone. So Matt is a great supporter of the channel. Been very generous over the last couple of years in sending us his surplus coins, and again he has not disappointed. Let's have a look at this first one. So we've got Henry VIII here, £5 coin, absolute big boy, size of a crown, 2009, from the Bailiwick of Jersey. It's in fantastic condition. It really is lovely. It really pops. I hope that the light does that justice. So that is a lovely coin, and certainly not something I'll be giving away anytime soon. So thank you. So Matt must just have so many coins because he sent us, I'm sure it was like a coronation, or it was certainly a royal bunk pack that he sent us last time. He sent us loads of trading cards as well, I'm sure. Yes, he did, a big massive wedge of them. Right, the Seymour Panther 2022. So how did you end up with an extra one of these, Matt? You'll have to tell us in the comments. So you've got a £5 coin there from this year. It's in the change checker specification. One of a series, I'm sure. I don't have any of these. £5 coins are not something that I collect really, to be honest. I might, if I was going to give it away, I do a monthly members draw. So if anyone who's a member of the channel and pays 99p a month for that extra monthly members only live stream, I do a little bit of a giveaway. So I might make that one of the prizes, perhaps even both, I suppose. Passing it on if you like, and of course it doesn't cost me anything. So bonus, everyone's a winner. Now this set is stunning. I haven't seen it in this presentation before, though I have seen some of the coins in the albeit singly, but I certainly don't have any. There they are on the back there, 2020, again from Jersey. All five there, stunning condition. Notice it's 2020, but Jersey still use the IRB portrait of the Queen there. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Something a little bit different. But have a look inside. Look at these. So this is in absolutely perfect condition. This is, Matt, this is super generous of you, because I'm sure you could have got a good 20, 30, maybe even £40 for this on eBay. Let's see if you can get the, there we go, God blesses everyone. So that's Christmas Carol. There's Scrooge. What have we got here? What's this one? Quite hard to see in the light. So shiny. Ask no questions and we'll tell you no lies, from Great Expectations. I've heard of that. I heard that quote. I didn't know that was where it was from. And there's Charles Dickens himself, 150th anniversary. David Copperfield, another one. Never do tomorrow what you can do today. I've heard that as well. Please, sir, I want some more. And that is Lady M. There with her begging bowl every time she wants something. Please, sir, Bungle, can I have some more? I'm only kidding. I do anyone about any new subscribers watching this. I'm only kidding. I know I give Lady M a hard time, but that's just the way we roll. That's just the cut of one's jib. So Matt, honestly, I can't thank you enough for your generosity there. Absolutely stunning condition. Charles Dickens undoubtedly will get squirreled away into the collection, and these two, yeah, maybe next month's monthly members giveaway. Doof and Dangler, you know what I'm saying. Right, here we go. This is from a good friend of mine, Mr. RJ Coins. If you're not familiar with Richard and John over on RJ Coins, do go over and subscribe, especially if you like Australian coins. He's got an extensive collection show you all the different coloured ones, and him and John have regular competitions when they're doing coin hunts as well. Bungle, we can't have you missing this one. Cheers from Richard from RJ Coins. Now I had to, I pre-open the letters these days because I was getting Bibles and catheters and all that type of scenario. But you've got to when it comes to Richard, because he's just an absolutely superb packer. So this is one. I'm just missing one now of the change checker trading card set. I'm going to put this into my album. I've got this. I'm going to use this one because this is the letter or the initial of my favourite presenter on RJ Coins. So I'm going to use this one. As it happens, I'm sending him this coin as well. Well, to the other presenter, the one that I don't know. Jay certainly carries him, but never mind. So yes, I was sending you this. I was just packaging it up, RJ. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to use it. The fact it is in pretty much uncirculated condition, this coin as well. Maybe I shouldn't use it, but I just couldn't help myself. And like I say, it's got my favourite presenter on there as well, his initial. So why not? So yeah, only need libraries now, and I'm just thinking about getting it off eBay. I think that not particularly valuable. The last ones that came out of set 3, or the ones that have come to light. There might be more yet, but it looks as though that the last 3 that we know about, this one, Victoria Cross the Medals, Dictionaries and Libraries, are probably the tail end of set 3 rather than a big set 4, I think. But yeah, you can pick them up relatively cheap, a pound each on eBay, maybe 150 with the postage. I think I might just get that because it's the only one that I need now to complete. Now that's all nice and clean, I'm gonna slide this in. I should have maybe done this last because I'm now gonna have a load of silver stuff all over the Bungle mat, but never mind. So there you go, Richard. That's I'll put that over there because it's coming out to you. Thank you very much. High mintage there, Victoria Cross the Medals. Key fact, to commemorate the 150th anniversary of the institution of the Victoria Cross, the Royal Mint struck 2 50p coins. Smash in. So yes, and I'm also sending Richard back some cards. So I'm doing this now because I'm going to reuse his packaging because he is top packer. So waste not, want not. Right, let me zoom out a little bit. That's about as far as I can get. So this is a Change Checker album, sports album that Change Checker kindly give us for taking part in a collaborative video last year. So this has got all the 50p in from the Olympics and a few extra sports ones that I've stuck in there as well as a completer medal. But it also houses my full. This is not my normal camera either, so I'm a little bit out of whack. But the full, so forgive me, I'm not my normal professional self. Yes, this houses all the Change Checker trading cards that have been very kind of people have sent us and traded and what have you, so done super well. And I say that's the last one that I got there was dictionaries. I'm going to get the Victoria Cross the Medals just sit inside there, and then I'll probably go to eBay, I think, for the final one. Oh, that's quite stuck down. A bit cold in the Magic Studio. There we go. Sorted. Right, I've got 2 more packages to show you. The next 2 are something that I bought. They're all kind of connected. Get that. Yeah, I didn't think this through. Gonna go all over the floor as well. Never mind. There we go. Never thought this through. Right, this one. So this purchase. This has come from UK Coin Mad. There we go. And bought a couple of things from Laura over there over the last couple of months, and Laura was kind enough to send us some free coins for plugging, giving a little plug to the channel. So I know if you want, the website is www.ukcoinmad.co.uk. You've got to put the full thing in to find it because it's only a relatively new website. And you can contact Laura as well on that email address. But what was I going to say? TikTok is where I found it, and I was really quite impressed. So I got this. So this is 150 years of Miss Potter. It didn't include the coins, but I have put the coins in. And I got this because this is the 2006 version. You'll see by the coins that are in there. It's a lovely little album. I love the feel of it. It's very much like the original Royal Mint's Olympic album. It's like, it's got a matte finish. It's smooth. I quite like these. And I got the 2018 version. I bought it on Gumtree and I paid £15 and it was full of coins. So I thought that basically there was £15 worth of coins in it, £5 or £6 each for the Flopsy, the Peter Rabbit, £3 for the Tittlemaus, £1.50 for the Tailor of Gloucester. So the album practically paid for itself. So I bought that about a year, got that off eBay, Gumtree about a year or so ago, and then I saw that Laura was selling this, because this wasn't the reason why I went on to UK Coin Mad to buy, but I just got this as a bonus. And of course I've then now had to get the 2017 version, which is due in the post, which I got off eBay. So I've got the 16, 17 and 18 with the coins in. So yeah, I just like that. It's just kind of, it's nice. But the reason why I did go on there was because I needed to buy some Commonwealth coins. I bought the Commonwealth Games Wills because I needed the one with the writing upside down to complete Ellie's album, if you remember. Got the big boy album with all the £2 in now. And I was missing one with Ellie with the writing upside down. And I also needed to buy whales because I bought this. So this is big thanks to Rich H. And for Rich H Hunts, he posted on Discord that he bought this little set. It was only less than a £5, including postage off eBay. I know Caledonian Coins has bought one as well, because I've just watched his video with it on. So that was pretty cool. So it's an album, and you got the capsules to put the coins in. And of course, I needed the coins to get there, so I didn't have an England. I was lucky enough to have spares of the other two. One that my mum gave me for Christmas, the Northern Ireland. That one she got in a change. Can you believe? I think it was in McDonald's. So she gave me it as a part of my Christmas present. So I already had that, and I already had a stray Wales from somewhere back in the collection I found. I didn't realise even know I had it. I can't remember how I came across it. Scotland I found in a coin hunt, and then I had to buy England from Laura. So that's it. How cool is that? Well, I'm telling you, it really is cool. It's got like a little magnetic shutter. Can't wait to get that in the collection. Let me get you the big boy album. I suppose I can show you the reason why I needed the whales. I'm not sure whether I've showed everybody this yet. Probably have. So this is the big boy album. I think I'm going to have to go up a little bit. Hang on. Let's go up a little bit. Whoop. Up's down, Bungle. Let's go up to give myself a little bit of space. It means I can't see in the camera, but hopefully you guys will be able to see what it is we're looking at. Where are we? There we go. So I got this from UK Coin Hunt, so it's a big thick album. That's the Poochington. Hello, barking for a change. So this is my £2 album. Got the original £2 in the front. Then gone into the circulated version of the £2, so there's everyone in here, and the writing around the outside is a particular way up. So this was what was my album, if you remember, from the original £2 hunts, and the writing around the outside is, if you're looking at the Queen's side, Queen's head, and you look on this side here, it might not be. Oh no, you probably, hang on, I'll get one out and show you. It's not in very good condition, this one. So this one, there's the Queen. So if I tip it that way, the writing around the outside is upside down. So I've got a set of all the commemorative coins with the writing that way up. Doesn't make it any more or less valuable. It's just a variant. It's quite random whether the writing's upside down or not. Depends how it's rimmed and to which way around the writing goes. So that was mine. If you remember, that was my original book. I was getting everything with the writing one way around, and I was very fortunate enough to beat Ellie. And then this is what was Ellie's book. So this is exactly the same set again, but the writing is the opposite way around. And this was the coin that I needed to buy to complete, because I didn't have it. So we go the Queen's side there, look, like it did before. And then flip it over. The writing is the right way up. And I say there's no right or wrong, just a little bit of a variant. So that's the, whoop, not using my camera, sorry people, but it's a little jerky. So there we go. That is the full commemorative set with the writing that way up. And I did need to get, also I am going to do my full collection video. I'd imagine it'll be up way after this one, because it takes some filming. But I have got some Navy centenaries and Great Fire of London in seal bags, which I traded with Trev from Coins to Collect a long time ago. And in there, I needed one with the flag error. Well, I had one with the flag error because this was the very last one that was missing. from this date run. So I then had to. There we go. So I had to open up that seal bag to put it in there, but now means that my collection is complete. Got some oddities in here. That's the Shakespeare tragedies with the edge inscription, the wrong edge inscription. A few other oddities and little errors in here. And then I've got my territories £2 in the back. Gibraltar, Isle of Man, Jersey, Guernsey, and I've got St Helena there. That came from Sunderland Coin Hunts. So anyway, you got a little bonus of the big boy, the biggest boy I've got with my £2 album. Right, I think that is done. I think we've got. I think I've showed you everything that I bought so far. I've got a little bit more still to come. I will do a whole collection video, but I just need to film it in stages. It takes ages to edit, so it'll come up at some point in the future. Right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks again, Matt.